Hey, what you doing?
Well, the hummingbirds I notice are flying around our house a lot, but they're not coming to the hummingbird feeder. So I think the problem is I made it too early in the spring and the birds quit coming to it because it's soured. It can ferment if you make it too early. So you want to make sure that you make it right at the peak of the hummingbirds coming to your house. So I'm having to clean all this out. You always got to make sure that your feeder is really clean, because if it's not, you won't any bacteria in here when you make this for the hummingbirds, or you'll end up killing them. So I'm going to show you today how to make some hummingbird nectar. Okay?
Are you putting soap in that?
Soap? Yes, I already used soap.
Is that safe to use?
Yeah. See, this one has soap that comes out of it. So.
Is that safe to use with soap?
Yeah, as long as you rinse it clean. And I always rinse it good. So just make sure your feeder is really clean. You don't want any kind of bacteria in it or nothing. Rinse it real good. So when you make your hummingbird nectar, you want 4 parts water, 1 part sugar. So I'm going to do 1 cup of sugar. One cup of sugar. I don't put it on the stove.
Sugar dissolves normally, even without heating.
Okay, so I finished the nectar. It's ready. The sugar is dissolved. So I'm going to pour it in here and I'm going to get it outside so they can eat.
Okay na. Dali lang naman to eh. Nilalagay na lang niya yung lid. Okay.
And here we go. We're going to turn it over and...
Say that again. Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh, well, I can't do it again. This thing has to water right now. So, I hang it here. It won't be long. I thought I just seen a hummingbird. It won't be long. They'll be coming. Whoa! Whoa! They're already here. So the hummingbirds will be on there in a minute.
You're funny.
Thank you for watching. Hope it helps. And now you can feed your hummingbirds in your garden and yard. Thank you.